A Nigerian living in Ghana is going to Cape Coast for the very first time. Cape Coast, here I come. First time in Cape Coast. I'm super excited, guys. Hey guys, it's 5 o'clock in the morning and your girl is awake. Okay, it's not yet 5. Check what time is it. It's 4:59. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to screenshot and put it for you here so you see the exact time. Look at, I'm screenshotting. So it will not be like, I lie. But it's 4:59. I thought it was 5 already because I was seeing 4:59 for for the longest time ever. Do you know why I'm awake this morning? It's because I will be traveling to Cape Coast. Ooh. And guys, guess what? This will be my first time going to Cape Coast, and I'm super excited. It's 5 already. Cha-cha. Yes, so I'm super excited I will be traveling to Cape Coast. Left with me, I'm not prepared to travel, but the reason why I'm going is because of something, okay? I know you guys value education in Ghana so much that when I tell you what this journey is all about, you guys are gonna feel so good about it because your brother, your Ghanaian brother is about to make you guys proud, okay? I don't think I'm going to let you guys know about it now. Maybe when I get there, or maybe at the cost of this video, I'm going to tell you. And I will need your support, okay? I will need your support because, you know what I'm thinking? If it were to be in Nigeria, I mean, yeah, this guy will be fully supported. So that's the reason why I want you to shame the devil by supporting this guy. Support can come from different angles, you know. It must not be money-wise. Yeah, watching him doing what he's gonna do is another way of supporting. It's very huge compared to monetary things, okay? So I'll be going to Cape Coast and I'm super, super excited about it. But I'm a bit sad because I wasn't prepared for it. I don't have anybody in Cape Coast. That's the most saddest part of it. So this video is going to be like a means of advertising. Yeah, letting y'all all know that I'll be coming to Cape Coast. So if you want to host me, yes, if you want to host me, because right now, you know, the country had, and Cape Coast was the former capital of Ghana. So things are a bit expensive compared to Kumasi, right? I don't know. I'm not really sure, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying, like, comparing to how Lagos was the capital of Nigeria and Abuja is currently the capital of Nigeria, you know, when you are comparing the two states, you see that Lagos state is also expensive. So that's the that's what I'm using to analyze this, but I don't know how actually it is. So you can let me know in the comment section, between Kumasi and Cape Coast, which state, no, which region is more expensive? Yeah, so as you can see, my bag, yes, I've cleaned my bag, it's ready. Oof, it's ready. You see, this bag is going with me to Cape Coast. So it's gonna be like this. This is how I'm gonna carry my bag. And guys, I'm gonna go with this t-shirt because I want to dress so simple. So this is what I'm wearing, this t-shirt, and I will look for a short, like not really short, but trouser that will not go beyond my knee. Yeah, it will be just above my knee because I want to be comfortable. So I'm super excited. I'm excited, and I'm very excited that I bring this news to you. So as I was saying earlier, if you are in Cape Coast and you want to host me, please let me know, because that's the #1 reason why I am here. I'm telling you guys about my journey to Cape Coast. And by the time you see this video, I'm already in Cape Coast, okay? Because sometimes it's not good to post something when that thing is happening. Yeah, so I'm just trying to protect me. Yes, I have to protect me. So that's it, guys. Why is my spirit? Yeah, something inside of me is telling me, like, it's pushing me to tell you why I'm going to Cape Coast. So let me just tell you. Yeah. So my reason why of going to Cape Coast is because of this guy. This guy that you are seeing on the screen. I was on my own. No. He messaged me on TikTok telling me to be part of his journey. Yeah. So this guy is going to challenge. I don't know who won the Guinness Book of Record on this that he is doing, but I know there's someone he's going to challenge. So just like I said earlier, he need our support. He need our support. It must not be monetary support, okay? You can come and watch him live on all my social media platform, especially YouTube. I think I'm going to be shuffling. I will be on live on Facebook and YouTube. Would I do it the same time? Okay, since I'm having two phones, I think I'm going to do it the same time. So I will be on live on YouTube and Facebook. Guys, come and support him. Come and support him. He needs our support. He needs our support. I know you guys, how you value education now. So this is something to be proud of. If this guy win the Guinness Book of Record now, you guys will be like, hey, Ghana won, blah, 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 70 minutes, or is it 70 hours, mathematics teaching, marathon, blah, blah. I don't even know. Yeah, so if you want to feel that way, then he need our support. We should come in large number and watch him. Let's watch him. Let's watch him. Like if he sees numbers of people watching him, that is going to give him more, like it's going to motivate him to stay more. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You understand what I mean? It's just like when you are in a competition, like running competition, and you have somebody hyping you, go girl, go girl, go there, go there. Let me call my name. Go there, go there, go there. That one will motivate you and make you work harder. Like you will not even know where the strength will come from. That's exactly what I'm talking about, guys. You guys should come and support this guy. I know other TV station and other content creators will be there. And see, what really made me want to go for this is the fact that he contacted me directly and he was saying he really want me to be there. Hey, the way I felt like a celebrity, I'd be like, oh, so they want Dell. Yeah, that Nigerian girl, they want her to be there. And me being a Nigerian, for me to be there, you should know, say, hey, Ghana. I love Ghana and I love Ghanaians. This country, we die here and we die here. See, the thing is that I know I am not a Ghanaian yet, but I'm patiently waiting for when I'm going to be a Ghanaian. That's when I go see the energy. The energy will be coming from south to west, west to, how are they even saying it? North to south, south to west. How are they even saying it? I beg, forget that one for one side. So guys, this is my first time traveling, like visiting Cape Coast. I think, yes, if God permits, I'm going to visit other places. You know, every movement person make in Ghana na money, and as I did like this, I am very broke. Oh, I no go lie, una. You know, I'm the kind of person that don't fake it. So if it is A, is A. If it is B, is B. If it is white, is white. If na red, na red. So I'm just telling you guys. So just in case you want me to see something or you want me to go somewhere in Cape Coast, I will go. But as they talk and say, Delphina, go and see this place. Go and experience this. I beg, join her with money. Because your girl is broke. I no get money. I no get money. And that's the truth. Okay. So I need your support on that aspect. I really need your support because as I'm going to Cape Coast now, I would love to go to other places. Okay. I would love to visit other places. Let it not be like, okay, I went there and I just went for this event and, you know, Cape Coast have a lot of places. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot of places that someone cannot just go and come back without experiencing other things. So guys, I need your support on that aspect. I'm happy. And if you are from Cape Coast, yes, you have an accommodation for me, please, I'll go. Accepted. In fact, yes, I'll come and stay. I'll come and stay with you. But make sure that now your family house, because I even want to experience how it feels to be in a Ghanaian family home because I've never experienced that before. So it will be a privilege for me to be part of your home. Yeah, so you guys can also experience how it feels to be with a Nigerian, because I know a lot of you do not know. The bad Nigerians, when I don't spoil our name finish, but then I still remain the last world, the girl with the sores, the very one Nigerian that is living in Ghana with a different, the African queen, the Northern beauty, For those of you that don't know, I'm from the northern part of Nigeria. So this beauty you're seeing, now North Kaduna State precisely. See, by the time I start telling you guys about my history, you guys, oh, hey, you want to hear more because we have different things like, hey, Ichoko, things that we have in Kaduna, if not because of the insecurity, the kind of tourist attraction places that we have in Kaduna State. Oh my God. Have you guys heard about Kajuru Castle? We have a beautiful castle that even foreign musicians do go there to shoot their music video and all. Yes, we have it in Kaduna State. But this bandit, they pursue people. Yes, they don't allow people to go there. Fear. There was a time they kidnapped, I think, a white man around there. Oh, was it there? Before, people usually go there a lot. It's like an hideout though. It's like an hideout. But now that place is empty. For you to go there, you have to chop stone. I'm telling you. That liver where you go carry go there. You know they this world. But then guys, a time will come that I will start telling you guys about my state, Kaduna State, and you will see that we from Kaduna State are like Ghanaians. Yeah, we are this kind of people that are soft. We are very soft spoken. We don't rush things. We do things gentle and we are respectful. We are kind people. We are welcoming. People from Kaduna are the kind of people that can receive a person to stay for as long as he or she want to stay without knowing the person. Yes, my family have done that before to so many people. I remember when I was growing, my father, in my hometown, not really my hometown, where I grew up, they gave my father a title, a kingship title. So there was a time they caught a thief around my area. So they brought the thief to my father as the king that he is to that area. So they brought the thief. Do you know what my dad did? He asked everybody to go. Guys, the state they brought this man to my dad, he was beaten and you could see blood all over his body and face. His body is all swollen. But what my dad told the crowd was to go, that he's going to handle it. You know what my dad did? He untied the man because he was tied. Yeah, they tied the man's hand. So he untied him and he gave him food. Then he used the medium to advise the man and tell him not to do it again. So you see, it's only in Ghana people does this kind of things to thieves. So now you can relate to what I'm saying, that we from Kaduna State and Ghanaians we share so many things in common. This is from my dad. You can imagine other testimonies. If I start telling you about other people, you guys will say, yeah, but I don't even have to say it now. You guys are already seeing it in me. You guys are already seeing it in me. Mr. Manager Nigeria is also from the north. I am also from the north, the last world. You guys can see it now. See the difference. I don't know why some people usually come. They will be asking me, hey, are you Igbo? Are you Yoruba? Hey, I'm not Igbo. I'm not Yoruba. I'm from the north. And guys, the cocoa of today is that I'm going to Cape Coast and I cannot wait for morning to reach. It's already 5:17. I cannot wait till my things are ready. I'll just pack them inside my bag and off to Cape Coast. I'm repeating this again because it's very important. Guys, I need your support. Boom, boom. I need your support. Boom, boom. I need your support, please. I'll not come here and lie to you guys, especially data, because I'm going to be live. Without data, I cannot be on live all through now, So you guys can support. Either you send me data, you send money, anything, and I will appreciate, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And see you in Cape Coast. And again, guys, I'm going to film every step I take. Not every, because I don't have enough memory for that. But I will try my best to see that I film every part of my journey, okay? So stay tuned on this channel, and I hope you enjoy. And guys, please share the video. Share this video. Share this video. Ghana are going to be the winner. They are going to be the next mathematics. How many days? I think it's 3 days, 70 hours mathematics teaching. Yes, I think teaching mathematics. I have to confirm it again. I have to confirm something like that. But I'm going to read it out for you guys. Yes, with the poster, maybe here. I'm going to do a voiceover so that that will give you a clearer understanding of what really I'm going there for. Let me just say I'm not really prepared for this. I never wanted to go because I don't have money, but a subscriber surprised me. Yeah, the person surprised me with some cash yesterday, and I'm going. But I need more cash. I need more cash. I need more cash, guys. So by the time I post this video, I'm already in Cape Coast. 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 Let me pack. Let me pack. Okay, this cap, I have to go with this cap. As the boss that I am the boss baby, so I'm going with this cap. Cape Coast, here I come. First time in Cape Coast, I'm super excited, guys. A Nigerian living in Ghana is going to Cape Coast for the very first time. I'm going to break the internet with amazing content. Yes. So guys, that's the news, and that's the latest. So it's going to start on the 9th, but I will be going today being the 8th of January 2026. So see ya there. Come out in massive numbers and support him, okay? Bye.